Chiki Art! Hey kids, guess what we're going to do today? We are going to learn how to draw a dinosaur! Just look at these curvy lines. Pause the video and copy it a bit at a time. Here we are doing the legs and the feet. And finishing off the tail. Some facial features. An eye, a smile, and some spikes. Some of them can be triangles and some of them can be half a hexagon. Do you know what shape a hexagon is? It has 6 sides. And some spots, which are kind of oval shaped. Thickening up the black border. Ooh, we love it. It's going to look great when it's all coloured in. Some toes. Now time to colour in. We're doing a lovely green colour. It's almost a kind of lime green. We're using a nice fine-tipped colouring pen. You can, of course, paint, use crayons or pencils, whatever you like. What a great colour. Do you know about different types of dinosaurs? You do? Which one's your favourite? I love the Stegosaurus. Ooh, and the T-Rex. This looks like a very friendly dinosaur, doesn't it? What should we call her? How about Greenie? No. Okay, what about Samantha? No, that doesn't sound very dinosaur-like, does it? Okay, how about Gloria? How about I let you think of a name? So we're doing dark green for the spots. And now we're colouring in every other spike yellow. And orange in between. Orange and yellow. Ooh, lovely citrus colours. It's a very citrusy dinosaur. Oranges and lemons at the bells of St. Clements. Doing the toes yellow. And it's as easy as that. Well done. Chiki Art!